This is Ryan from Grow Shapes, your #1 David reseller in the US. What I have here for you today is an SLS2 David 4 package and a David TT1. This is the turntable. What I'll be doing today is an unboxing video. Alright, so in your SLS2, this is your scanner, tripod. Essentially what you have is your camera, your projector. This is the entire package, and the main thing is the dongle, which is very powerful. That's David 4 software. First unboxing video. Give me a break. The trick is to always have a really sharp knife. You barely press anything, just kind of opens up for you. Okay, top protective layer. And then of course the box within the box. Here we are. So, camera, projector, tripod. I wish we had a turbine engine. Dongle, SLS2 from David Systems. What's really cool here, let's see if you guys can see this. Instead of having to actually worry about packaging, is they have a tab to rip. So you know it's brand new. Another, oh, this is a very nice one. This is a foam covered board. Keep this with your box. You have your instruction manual. This is in many different languages. Anything from, let's see, Ukrainian, English, German, of course. Very cool. Okay. This is your calibration board. As you see here, this is the 120mm, 60mm, 30mm. On the inside will be the 240mm. This would be a small instruction manual for the projector. What they've done is they've used an Acer projector in this unit. It's a K123. The David wiring. So let's look at this guy up. The projector controls to do these mobily. It's always fun. This is a USB to mini USB. This would go to the back of the camera. And you have your, don't have to use the knife for this one. There we go. Your David 4 dongle. This is going to be kind of the license agreement or license of this product. Great little unit. Make sure you always keep that with you. Attached to something important. Don't break it. Magic of video editing back. So what we have here is the universal power adapter. What we see is a 2-prong unit here. This is actually the I/O port for the back of the projector. So that should go with the projector unit. The included HDMI cable, again for the projector unit. this one, this is what I was assuming we were going to find. This would be your universal adapter piece, and that goes directly to this. So you can see something like this would be Brennenstrache. This is a German, actually Australian. That'd be Austrian, excuse me, adapter. And the whole bag is full of them. So, for instance, here we are. How this works would be, there's the US. Okay. This unit plugs into this piece. Okay. Need to remove the protective layer first. Child-proof probably means Ryan-proof. So I'm going to use a knife for this. Usually I like plugging things into the wall when I use knives. It helps quite a bit. The electroshock is awakening, to say the least. So you'd slide this back piece in to here. It's a one-way unit. You can tell this is rounded, this is straight, this is straight, this is rounded. So, okay, it locks in good. And push it in there, that's fully set. And then you'd say this piece. And this can go in just like that. You have your power adapter. What you could do instead is, since this is one of these standard 3-prong, is you can go ahead and purchase just the grounded 3-prong, it'd be like a power adapter for a laptop. And that would work if you don't want to have this large unit with you. Okay, what do we have next? We have more computer cables. This is the, what do they call that? PCI cable. The power adapter to this power adapter. So, get that one there. Beautiful tripod. This is actually the tripod I'm shooting off of right now. We get a spare one. What you do is you get the rock, I think it's called rock ball. So the ball piece, 1-inch ball, is fully adjustable. Then it also has rotational. I'll show you. Also comes with a carrying case, which is really nice. This is by Triad, or Hachno, and the model is Triad. Nice case. Here we go. There are 3 steps in the lathe. So you have your largest adjustment, secondary, and third. You can also adjust stoppers on how you want the angle to be. The ball mount, fully adjustable. Then you have your rotation. You can lock that in, doesn't rotate, lock it in, doesn't rotate. See, dimensions on this would be, it actually has a 4-kilogram load, which is pretty good. And one thing that I like about this tripod is it has its own leveling unit right there. See that, guys? So it's got its own level. But overall, incredibly solid, really, really nice tripod to use. I've been using this one all week for various shoots across the Bay Area, and I love it. It's universal. Drop it in for a camera and call it a day. So, here's the big unit. foam, we have here our projector and our camera. When you go to shoot, you're going to want this anywhere between 20 and 25 degrees away from this angle. This, of course, would be a sliding unit. Then we have easy focusing on the projector. You have exposure and focusing on the camera. We'll have this in place so it doesn't distract me. Here's the head. Oh. There we go. Here's the head of the tripod, so you can loosen this one and move this on any one of these points. A foam backing piece, a foam base, and 2 legs for your calibration table. There is one more thing I wanted to shoot before I put everything away. This is the tripod. So this is the mount that comes with the tripod. Releases, pops up. You guys already saw me do the screw part here. Then when you go to lock in place, all you have to do is push down on that little gold piece. It locks in partially. Then you fully lock it. Boom, done. Solid. So really, really cool tripod. I like it a lot.